The new validation dashboard is a major upgrade over the previous Validate Schedule command. This dashboard provides a comprehensive view of all validation warnings in your schedules, making it easier to identify and resolve issues before they impact production. With just a single click on the Validate Schedule button, you can instantly see a complete list of validation warnings. The customizable dashboard offers powerful search, grouping, and sorting options for warning messages, making it easier to manage them and to find issues that need to be fixed. Clicking on a warning highlights the affected operations, helping you quickly pinpoint and address issues. This new feature enhances efficiency and ensures you can maintain accurate schedules effortlessly. We're excited to announce that OpsCenter APS now supports OpenID Connect, making sign-ins easier and more secure. With OpenID Connect, you can use your existing credentials from trusted providers like Google, Microsoft, and Facebook to access our services. Here's how it works. When you sign in, you will be redirected to the secure login page of the provider that you have set up in OpsCenter APS. Once authenticated, you'll be brought back to our application with access granted based on your roles and permissions. Please note that all user roles managed in the identity provider must also be configured in OpsCenter APS. This new feature enhances security and simplifies the sign-in process, providing a seamless experience. The unattended console is now more powerful and flexible, supporting new options for automated scheduling scenarios. First improvement allows us to set scheduling time accuracy. This means that the results you get with unattended scheduling are more consistent with the ones you get when using the application itself. The next improvements allow us to unlock scheduling history and repair schedules with a simple command line switch. This, for example, means that orders that were supposed to be produced already can be easily rescheduled to a later date using the unattended console. These improvements make the scheduling results more consistent between unattended console and application itself, and also makes it easier to maintain schedule integrity. There have been several key updates to our OData import functionality, making data import more flexible and multilingual than ever before. It is now possible to import filtered data by passing dynamic tags, such as site or country, within a single OData connection string. This means you can tailor your data imports to specific needs without having to create multiple connections. This makes your data management more efficient and precise. You can define multiple tags and their values in the command definition file, PRCDF. These tags can be used in the override query field as shown before. This level of customization ensures that you get exactly the data you need, when you need it. Last but not least, OpsCenter APS now supports the accept language header. This means you can import data in the default language or a language of your choice, provided the OData source is configured accordingly. It's all about making your data import process as seamless and user-friendly as possible. These enhancements provide greater flexibility and precision in data imports, ensuring you get the data you need in the language you prefer. Managing licenses is now more intuitive and error-proof. License Dialog not only provides more information about different elements by hovering a mouse over them, but also gives clearer visual feedback about possible issues. If issues do occur, the Connect button will be disabled to further highlight that the issues need to be fixed before continuing. The Save Settings option has been added to the dialog itself for easier access. The settings are now saved only after establishing a successful connection. This means you won't run into any invalid configurations, keeping everything running smoothly. This release also contains usability improvements to make daily tasks faster and more convenient. First improvement is Clear All Filter icon that is available in both the Planner and Sequencer editors. With a single click, you can remove all applied filters. This means that there is no more need to manually search all columns that have filters and clear them one by one. The second improvement is about aligning how information is shown. The resource list in the Calendar Editor dialog is now sorted in alignment with the default resource sorting. This means you can find and manage your resources more easily and efficiently. Everything is right where you expect it to be.